Over the last 2 years of living out here in the beautiful country of Thailand, I've enjoyed pretty much every second of it. But in this video, I'm going to be breaking down the raw reality and going over 5 things that I'm not really that big of a fan of living out here in Thailand. So starting off with number one, which I think is the biggest con of living out here in Thailand, is definitely the degeneracy. The happy endings, the lady boys, all that type of stuff, the prostitution, the alcohol, the weed, all that type of stuff condensed into the degeneracy. It's very abundant out here in Thailand, Bangkok, Koh Samui, wherever you go, there's going to be degeneracy pretty much everywhere, just because it is pretty much like GTA 5 living out here. You can do literally whatever you want. Any sin you commit, you can pay for it with just a few baht. And with the degeneracy out here, I've seen many people come out here with hopes and aspirations of being able to make money online, whether it be remote sales, e-commerce, whatever it was. And they always end up having to go back home just because they get too deep in the degeneracy, too deep into digging and searching for pleasure, that they end up meeting pain instead. They end up losing all of their money, not focusing on what they need to focus on, which ends them having to do a round trip back to where they came from. So with the degeneracy out here, it's just super easily accessible. There's 7-Elevens like every 50 to 70 meters, and each and every single 7-Eleven has alcohol, as well as there's a weed shop every 50 to 60 meters. But right now, I think like the last few days, they just made it illegal. So we'll see if that holds. I think they tried it in the past, but it never stands, just because there's so many weed businesses, and if they made it illegal, there'd be so many empty stores all across Thailand. So I don't think that's going to hold. And with that being said, like the weed, you can literally still get it. Even if they do make it illegal, you can still easily get it from like a pharmacy, from a friend. It's very present out here in Thailand. Let's just say that. And then of course, with the massages as well, they're just a few hundred baht, and then they upsell you once you're in there. You get a happy ending, call it a day. But that's a very slippery slope. It's very cheap, and once you go down that path a little bit, it's very hard to stop with anything in life. Like anything that's easy, that's quick, that's instant gratification, the more you do it, the more you succumb to it, and the worse that habit gets. So what I recommend to you, if you're coming out here to Thailand, be very aware of the degeneracy and just stay away from it as much as you can. I do still go clubbing sometimes, but I limit myself to maybe once or twice a month to celebrate a win, a very big sale, or just something like that. Just make it a reward, or just like a once or twice a month thing. Don't indulge into it too much, or you might end up in financial ruin, or you might just ruin your entire life. Now with the degeneracy as well, although it is very cheap, very present, it is very easy to avoid it if you surround yourself with the right people. Because let's just say you come out here and you're just surrounding yourself with the locals, maybe the students, the Thai students in university, or maybe you surround yourself with people that are just on holiday, or people that have already made it to the top and now they're just enjoying the fruits of their labor. The easiest way that I found to avoid this degeneracy and to just stay on the right path as much as I can is by being able to surround myself with people that are levels above me, but that are on the same kind of goal or path as me, that are, trying to avoid degeneracy and just focusing on the inputs that help them make money, to level up their fitness, their mental health, all this type of stuff. If you surround yourself with these types of people instead of the people just looking for pleasure and fun, then it'll be very easy, because it's, very cliche, the saying that you're the average of the 5 people you hang around, but it is still absolutely true. If you come out here and surround yourself with losers, people going to massages all the time, going clubbing all the time, it's literally inevitable that you'll become one of these people. But if you surround yourself with people making 10K, 50K, 100K plus a month online, then it's very likely you'll be next up. Now, following the degeneracy, that's definitely number one. But number two, a very close second, is the pollution. The pollution out here, it is very abundant as well. I mean, we are in Bangkok, Thailand. There's millions and millions of people. They're all packed in cars driving to work. Wherever they're going, I have no clue. But yeah, that adds up very quickly. The pollution is filling the air. And with that, you're going to get a very scratchy throat. I kind of actually have that right now. I just walked back from the gym. I don't know if you guys can tell from the sweat. But yeah, it's already kind of affecting me just from today. But the thing is, during raining season, which it is starting to begin right now, it does rain away a lot of the pollutions that are in the air. So that way it makes it a little bit more kind of easier to breathe. You don't have that much brain fog or dizziness or less energy than you would in, let's just say, Chiang Mai when they're doing the burning season, burning all of the crops, and that smoke travels down here to Bangkok. That's definitely when it's the worst. I forgot what months the smoking season is in, but right now up until October, November is a really good time in terms of the air quality. And the best way I've found to combat the air quality, the air pollution out here in Bangkok is number one, you can go to Whiskars or any other shisha place out here in Bangkok, smoke some shisha because it's just like the gym. You go to the gym, you lift the weights, destroying the muscles. And as you destroy the muscles and let them recover, they grow back stronger. And it's the exact same thing with your lungs. If you go destroy them with shisha, cigarettes, they're going to come back 10 times stronger. And that's bro science for you right there. But yeah, besides the jokes, you can obviously go to the steam room, the sauna. Those are a lot better places than, let's just say, shisha or, just staying out in the pollution. So that we can flush out all the toxins from the pollution. And you can get back down to baseline where you're just breathing oxygen and whatever herbal things they have in the sauna. I'd recommend Totiono, Fast and Fit. There's a bunch of different saunas out here in Bangkok. Just choose which one's ever closest to you, and you'll be good to go back out and battle the pollution with your new, fresh, healthy lungs. Now, following that, we have the degeneracy, the pollution. Next up is I think we already covered the traffic. No, I don't think so. The traffic is next up, number 3 on the list, especially in Bangkok, where, like I said, there's millions and millions of people. So, of course, they don't have roads that are quite set up for that many people quite yet. I think it's only like 3 or 4 lanes. I think 4 is the max I've seen. And with all these people driving to all these places, causing the pollution, that is stemmed from the traffic. And with the traffic, let's just say I'm coming from where my building is right now, like near Elite Fight Club, to, let's just say, my friend Tano's gym. That's about a 5 to 4 minute bike ride. But if I were to take a car, that would be a good 20 to 30 minute car ride for no reason whatsoever. And it's just an utter waste of time unless you're working on your laptop, your phone in the car. It's just not worth it. What I'd recommend instead of, just taking a car everywhere you go is number 1, you can take the BTS. You can walk everywhere. And the benefits of walking, me and my friends right now in my condo, we're doing a challenge, 10K steps a day. And what I've seen is that you just clear your mind, you're getting more shredded, and it's just pretty fun to walk around. You notice things that you don't really notice while you're on a bike, a car, or the BTS, and it kind of feels like a shroom trip, like your mind is clearing up, you're present in the moment, walking to wherever you're going, and it just feels pretty good over time. You sleep a lot better. But yeah, other than that, we have the BTS as well. We can just take the train, walk, as well as taking a bike. The bike is like 1/4 of the time that it would take in a car, which is an absolute cheat code. Besides, of course, when it's raining. When it's raining, especially during raining season, definitely the car might be worth it, the BTS, or you can just, get an umbrella or the wetsuit, whatever you want to get. But yeah, the traffic is absolutely horrendous, especially from Thursday to Tuesday. It's very bad just because everyone's going out, everyone's going somewhere to travel, whatever it may be. The traffic is just absolutely horrendous. Take the BTS, walk, or take a grab bike. Other than that, we have the degeneracy, the traffic, the air pollution. Next up, I would like to say it is the disrespectful foreigners, the Indians, especially in Pattaya. No racism. We actually have an Indian living with us right now. But most of the Indians out here, they're coming out here super disrespectful. They want discounts. They're peeing in the pools, peeing in the streets, all these types of things. And it's just not good for the Thailand culture just because, all these Thai people, they're the most beautiful, kindest people you'll ever meet in your life. But the thing is, they're kind of like a mirror of who you are. I've never had a bad experience with a Thai person in my entire time being out here the last 2 years. But from what I have heard from the people who have had a bad experience is because they gave these Thai people a bad experience first. They were disrespectful, mean, rude, and they got the rudeness and disrespectfulness back straight to them in their face. So to combat this, it's very simple. Just treat others how you'd like to be treated, especially out here in Thailand. They believe in karma, all that type of stuff. It's one of the safest places in the world, if not the safest. I've walked around 2, 3, 4 a.m. in the morning, AirPods in, noise cancellation on, and have had no issues whatsoever. Now, I am 6'3", almost 200 pounds, so that might come into the picture. But still, I've left my wallet in places, my phone, and no one's ever stolen anything. The only thing that has been stolen is from a foreigner. So that just kind of comes into the picture of what I'm trying to get to, is that the foreigners, the Indians, they're just kind of ruining the vibe a little bit. You just need to be very respectful and you'll have no problems whatsoever. So yeah, other than that, I think there's one more real quick. If you guys give me 1 second, we have the degeneracy, we have the traffic. There's definitely one more thing I had written down. The time zone. The time zone is pretty tragic, especially if you're working in remote sales. You're going to be working Batman hours, 8 p.m. to 6 a.m. You're not going to be able to experience Thailand to the fullest. It's not going to be what you're looking for in terms of the life that you want to create for yourself. Luckily enough for me, I've been able to transition from that type of work where I was working directly alongside Batman from 8 to 6 a.m. as a setter into finding an offer that lines up with my time zone as a closer. Now I'm only working from 8 a.m. until 2 p.m. at night, 2 p.m. mid-afternoon. So it's an absolutely big of a game changer, just being able to do what I want to do through the day, traveling, hanging out with my girlfriend, the boys, training Muay Thai, going to the gym, just being able to enjoy the fruits of my labor of working very long nights and closing deals whenever I want and actually enjoying the day is just an absolute night and day difference. No pun intended. Being able to tan and just do what I want to do. And with the time zone as well, obviously, I'm from the United States, Georgia. So my family, they're usually sleeping when I am awake, and I'm awake when they are sleeping. So just not very good to, not be able to talk to my family as much, not to be able to see them as much. But, I am all the way across the world, so that does make sense anyways. But yeah, other than that, guys, to sum everything up, Thailand is definitely still my favorite country in the world. I'm living here for another year, maybe a year and a half, of course. I'll travel around to Bali, Dubai, wherever the world takes me, wherever my friends go, wherever I want to go, take my girlfriend. But Bangkok, Thailand is definitely the home base for right now, just because I have so many connections here. We just got another apartment. My girlfriend's here, and it's just a very beautiful life. Everything is cheap. The gyms are fire. The women are beautiful. The food is amazing. 99% pros, 1% cons, and I just helped you guys avoid the 1% so that we can navigate through it and create your dream life out here in Bangkok, Thailand, or anywhere else in Thailand for that matter. So guys, it's been an absolute pleasure talking to you guys. I'm about to smash down 10 eggs, pass out, and I will see you guys in the next one. See you.